Hi, I'm the homeowner of this house, and we're here to install flooring after a flood event that wetted the basement floor in my home. So we're here in my basement, and it is, we've ripped up the carpet that was saturated by the flood, we've removed the tacking strips, and we've dried the floor and cleaned the floor to remove any loose debris. We've also checked to see that there are no cracks in the cement underfloor that might impede the installation of the vinyl flooring we're going to put on top. My plan is to install rows of the floor horizontally across this room along the narrow axis of the room, and to allow for a grain oriented towards the long axis of the room to make the room appear bigger. Because this room was already finished and because there was flooring already installed, when we removed the tack board around the perimeter of the room, we found down here, as a premise to installing, that the spacing between the floorboards, the baseboards, and the cement floor was just high enough to permit installation of the flooring underneath with a little bit of a gap. And what we plan to do is to install the flooring right to the edge of the baseboard to allow for later expansion of the material. After we install the floor, what we intend to do is tack a quarter round molding to the bottom of the baseboard to cover up the gap and allow the floor to float underneath